This is an unboxing of the Kinesis Freestyle Edge split keyboard. Looks to be some fancy packaging here. KinesisGaming. Look at that. Everyone wants to be like a certain fruit-themed computer company. Does the packaging make the product better? Seems like companies say the answer is yes. Okay, so we have the braided cord connecting the two keyboards. The USB cord is also braided. Okay, the Kinesis Freestyle Edge just came out of the box, and this is a first look at that keyboard. Now, I'm comparing Alleviate that. So, this split keyboard, or this category of split keyboards, is something I've been considering for some time. And this new keyboard from Kinesis allows you to have that split capability. You step back and you can see the setup. To compare these two keyboards, it makes the Logitech keyboard look even longer.